In this video, I'm going to talk about the best indicator for swing trading that gives you buy and sell amazing signals, and we are going to optimize this trading strategy in this video. So before we are going to talk about this video, if you have not subscribed my second YouTube channel that is in the name of Secret Trading Unmasked, then please find the YouTube channel link in the description of this video below, and secret strategies will be shared on this channel, so please make sure that you are going to subscribe it. Okay guys, I'm going to remove the indicators from my trading view so that we can reattach it, and we will go to the indicator section here. And guys, one more thing, if you are looking for the best broker that provides you high quality spreads, and that is one of the good broker that provides you live chat, and also you will never have a problem with the withdrawals, and it hardly takes me only 1 minute for my withdrawal in my account. Okay, so please find the broker link in the description of this video below. Okay, guys, sorry for my bad throat today. I'm not feeling very good today, so please bear it with me as well. So you need to write KPL swing on TradingView. Okay, so when you will write KPL swing on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is by Hun, and you can see this indicator is not widely used so far. It is not explored by a lot of community. So you are going to attach this indicator, and it will basically provide you the accurate buy and sell signals. However, we will increase the accuracy of this indicator in this video. You can see this is the gold 15-minute chart. So basically this indicator is for the swing purpose. So you should at least start using it from 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and the 4-hour time frame. The more higher the time frame, the better results can come with this indicator, because it can give you the swing rides. Like you can see, that was the buy signal, sell, and then it was changed to buy. So overall the swing rides are very good with this indicator. Okay, so I'm going back again to the 15-minute time frame so that we can review this indicator. Okay, so the second thing that we are going to use is EMA. Okay, so when we write EMA, the moving average exponential, and here we are going to the settings, and I'm going to give it a white color, the last level of thickness, and from the input section I'm going to change the length to 200. Okay, now you can see my trading setup is completely ready. Okay, so all you just need is to follow these buy and sell signals with the help of 200 EMA. If the price action is above the 200 EMA, like you can see here, we have the buy signal, but this candle successfully closes above the like 200 EMA. You can take your entry from here. In that case, you will set up your stop loss at the lower side of the EMA, and like you can see, this trade has almost given you 5.81 trading ratio here. Similarly, the buy is again active here, and ignore the sell positions. However, this is a successful trade, but overall, being a safe trader, we cannot trade these signals all the time. Okay, so try your best to find out those signals which are on the volatile pair. So for example, this is the AUD buy, and you can see it has provided you a very good swing ride. Okay, ignore that sell, again enter into the buy, and now look like the trend has changed, and now keep on working on the sell positions because the trend has get changed. Okay, so for example, look at Euro USD. It has provided you with a beautiful buy signal from here. The price action closes above the 200 EMA, and also you had a buy signal. You can go for that trade. Okay, so the pound pairs and the volatile ones, like this is Great Britain pound JPY 15-minute, a clear upward momentum is seen. Similarly, you can check USD CAD. Yes, USD CAD is a good option to go with, and also one of the pair, that is USD CHF. It's also volatile, but if you just have a look on this pattern, it's into the ranging pattern. We cannot do anything. Like the moving pairs, like overall, the USD JPY also in a consolidation, but right now it breaks the consolidation. So overall, you need to catch those pairs which are volatile. Let's have a look on Nifty. So overall on Nifty, sell, buy, and sell, 3 signals, and even the last four signals are highly successful, and even you can use this indicator on crude oil as well. So this is one of the best combination that you can use for this indicator. And moreover guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, and do not forget to subscribe the Secret Trading Unmasked YouTube channel. I have given the link in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.